video, I'll walk you through an important feature within the GrainFox Farm Wealth Toolkit, our cash flow planner. The cash flow planner is designed to help you manage your finances by providing a comprehensive analysis of your cash flows throughout the year. This allows you to create cash flow projections, track income and expenses, and visualize your financial position using charts. Now let's get started. Open up the menu bar on the side, scroll down to Budgeting, and click Cash Flow Planner. From here, we're going to click Start, and we'll be asked to put in our time frame. As a suggestion, we recommend starting your time frame from August, as production will be available, and have it end in July, as this is when we typically recommend that you have your inventory sold by. The closing balance for each month is calculated based on the opening position, money in, and money out. In this example, I'll enter a cash flow time frame of August 2024 to July 2025. I'm going to select the dates, and then I'll click Next. Now we need to enter the value of our opening balance for the first month of the forecast. The value of the following months will be the closing balance of the previous one. For this example, we'll set an opening balance of $15,000 and click Next. The last step for this initial setup is to choose whether you'd like to connect data from your farm profile. If you choose to connect your farm profile data, the cash flow planner will use your farm profile details to automatically update sales based on your actuals, your closed contracts, and predictions, open-end production contracts. This data will be connected to cash inflow, which I'll talk about shortly. If you choose not to connect your data from farm profile, you'll just need to manually input sales amounts. For this example, we'll be connecting our farm profile. I'm going to click on the toggle here. When it's orange, that means it's connected. I'm going to scroll down, click Next, and then we'll click Done. Now that I've linked my farm profile data, if you scroll down, you'll see that my canola contract valued at $15,000, scheduled for payment in September, has been seamlessly added to my cash inflow under the farm profile sales category for that month. Next, let's go over adding our cash inflow and outflow. Cash inflow refers to the money received or coming into your financial account, while cash outflow refers to the money spent or going out of your account. The next step is to add your cash inflow and outflows coming from various categories. For example, I'll enter a cash inflow of $550 for the term loan category. Scrolling up, I'm going to click on the square that I'd like to add it first to. In this case, the term loan payment for August. Going to enter the value. You can opt to make this a recurring payment by selecting yes or no if it's not. I'm going to set it as recurring. Additionally, you can decide to copy or evenly spread the income across specific timeframes, monthly, bi-monthly, or custom intervals. By choosing copy, the same amount will be duplicated for each month selected. For example, if you chose copy and bi-monthly, $550 would appear bi-monthly. For this example, though, we're selecting spread so that the amount is evenly distributed on a bi-monthly basis. I've selected spread, chose bi-monthly from the drop-down menu, and you'll see that it's going to copy $91.67 bi-monthly. And I click Spread Across. Now you can see it's been added on a bi-monthly basis. To include additional cash inflow and outflow sources not listed, click on the plus button next to cash inflow or cash outflow. In this case, I'm going to choose cash inflow. Click on the plus. You can choose whether to make it a category or a subcategory. Selecting category would be for a new source, whereas subcategory would be to create one that would fall under an existing category. You can also create a new category and then generate subcategories within it. For this example, we're going to create a new category called Refund. Then I'm going to click Create. You'll now see that this category has been added under Cash Inflow. Now that you've recorded your cash inflows and outflows within the designated timeframe, you'll have the data needed to analyze your cash flow sensitivity. Above the cash inflow and outflow table, there's a graph that visually represents this information. This analysis enables you to determine optimal spending and holding patterns. Tracking and predicting your cash flow empowers you to make crucial business decisions. In our graph legend, you can see that the blue column represents cash inflow. An orange column would represent cash outflow, which we haven't entered at this point. And the green line represents cash at hand. You can also add other cash flow tables for other timeframes according to your preferences, simply by clicking the New Cash Flow button in the top corner. Additionally, you can choose to export your cash flow statements as PDF files. Just click on this download button right here. This concludes our Cash Flow Planner demo. If you're interested in exploring the Cash Flow Planner further and would like a one-on-one demo or need help, feel free to reach out to our dedicated customer success team. We are here to assist you.